Today's lesson will be a short one, a simple one on negative structures in French, and we'll try and keep it as a simple guide even for beginners. So the objective is to understand how to use negative structures in French, so we'll be looking first at understanding very simply what negation is, then we'll understand how to make a basic negative sentence, and finally we'll look at making a variety of negative sentences. So first of all, what does negation mean? It basically means no. It's about what you don't do, what you don't want, what you don't like. So it's the big idea of don't. If we start with building a basic negative sentence, looking at example that we must know by now, j'aime, which as I'm sure you know means I like. And you should also know how to say I don't like, je n'aime pas. So very simply we can notice that the difference between I like and I don't like is that we have added ne and we have added pas, all of that around the verb. So if we think about a we sandwich there as a reminder, on one side we've got, like I said, ne, so that's our first slice of bread. At the back we need pas, so that's our last slice of bread. And let's think about a cheese sandwich, for example. In the middle we need our verb, our doing word. Remember the difference between ne and n apostrophe. We need n apostrophe instead of ne when the verb, so for example here am, starts with a vowel. Now if we wanted to look at building a variety of negative sentences, we'll be using the example of the sandwich again, starting with ne, followed by a doing word, a verb. The difference is we don't need to use pas only. We could be using plus, jamais, rien, pas assez, or que. And that gives us example of sentences. For example, je ne mange pas, I don't eat. Je ne mange plus, I don't eat anymore. Je ne mange jamais, I never eat. Je ne mange rien, I don't eat anything. Je ne mange pas assez, I don't eat enough. And je ne mange que du chocolat, I only eat chocolate. So that's a good way to bring a bit of variety to your speaking, to your writing, and to build up on different structures. Now, just a quick one if you're a bit more of an expert with French and you're using the past tense already. If you are using it in the past tense, we'll be thinking about the three different parts we have. So I liked, j'ai aimé, so part 1, subject, auxiliary, and the past participle. So the negation will be done using the auxiliary. So we'll keep the ne and we'll keep the pas, but this time it's not coming around the verb, the doing word, it comes around part number 2. Thank you for watching. I hope that you find it easy to use and you'll be able to make that next for yourself. But remember, you're going to make mistakes. It's normal, it's part of the process, so please make them again and again and we'll just learn from them together. Thank you for watching. Au revoir, merci.